Olivia, I'm ready to go to the zoo. How about you? Are you ready?
Yes, sure. Today is hot. So I prepared 2 bottles of water. I packed some sandwiches too. Do you have a hat with you?
Yes, I do. Don't forget the tickets we bought last week, Olivia. I don't want to come back for this. The zoo is so far from the city. It will take a long time to go back. And then it ruins my day.
Don't worry, babe. Everything is perfect. Okay, let's go.
I am so excited to see all the animals here. Olivia, take out the tickets.
Hi, we already bought the tickets. Please check it out.
Welcome to the Safari Zoo. Alright, please follow the zookeeper for more information. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am a zookeeper and I will be your guide today. How are you guys doing?
We are great. So, will you take us around the zoo?
Yes, I will. Before we get inside, I want to set some rules first. We strongly encourage all guests age 11 and older to wear face masks when in the indoor habitat. Do you have face mask?
Yeah, we do. Come on, babe. Put on your mask.
Next, during the visit time, please do not feed animals or tease them.
I understand. What else, Sarah?
Please don't litter, no screaming or running around, and most of all, respect the signs.
Sure, I remember all the rules. Can we go now, please?
Yes, follow me. These are the ostriches. Is it the world's largest bird?
Wow, their legs are so long. And their necks are long as well.
Wild ostriches live in the dry, hot savannas and woodlands in Africa. They are omnivore, which means they eat both vegetation and meat, although they prefer plants.
I know that they are flightless birds. It is so funny.
I can see some ostrich eggs over there. Wow, the eggs are so big.
Incredible, I love it. I wish I could sit on an ostrich and run around. That must be so fun.
I guess so, but you are not allowed to sit on any animals here. What a pity. Okay, now please move to the elephant area.
Yay! According to my science teacher, they are the largest land animals. Is it true?
Yes, a male elephant on average measures up to 3 meters high and weigh up to 6 tons.
Wow, that's huge.
Now, I have a question for you. We have 2 kinds of elephant inside a cage. How can you tell the differences? Which one is African and which one is the Asian one?
I don't know. I haven't learned about it yet. Can you tell me, please?
You can tell the 2 species apart by their ears.
What? Their ears? How?
The ears of African elephants are much larger than their cousin and are described as being shaped like the African continent, whereas the ears of Asian elephants are shaped like the Indian subcontinent.
That's fantastic. I tell my friends about it. Now I can see the African one already. It is sleeping under the tree, and the Asian one is walking around with her baby.
You are so intelligent. Okay, now please take a look at the gorgeous giraffe. What do you think? Are they amazing?
Yes, they are so tall, Olivia.
You are right. Giraffes are the tallest mammal on the earth. Their legs are long, are taller than many humans, about 6 feet.
I guess they must be running really fast.
Sure they do. They can run as fast as 35 miles an hour over short distances.
How can they lay down on the ground to sleep?
No, they can't. Giraffes spend most of their life standing up. They even sleep and give birth standing up.
Really?
Yes, but they only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period.
Oh my goodness. I need 8 hours of sleep every night.
Yeah, because giraffes are not like humans.
So many interesting facts. Do you have some pandas? I want to see the pandas in real life. She has been upset with Kung Fu Pandas recently.
It's okay. I love that movie too. Alright, here are the pandas.
They are so cute. They look exactly like my toys. Can I hug them?
No, you can't. Remember the rules? You can only watch them from afar.
Oh, that's so sad. Okay, please tell me something about the pandas.
They are the world's rarest mammals. Only about 1,500 of these black and white bears survive in the wild.
What do they eat?
Panda eats almost nothing but bamboo shoot and leaf. They occasionally consume other vegetable, fish, and small mammals. But bamboo accounts for 99% of their diet.
Look, they are still eating.
Panda eats fast and they eat a lot. They spend about 12 hours a day doing it.
But why?
Because bamboo is not very nutritious. To stay healthy, they have to eat a lot. An adult female panda weighs 200 pounds.
It is pretty heavy, isn't it?
Do you want to know some fun facts about pandas?
Yes.
Pandas are very good swimmers and they are very shy.
Oh, so cute. Oh, Olivia, I saw some monkeys over there. Can we go there?
Hey, don't run. Be careful.
Please don't stay too close to the cage. The monkeys has been aggressive recently.
Are they hungry?
Yes, they are, but it's not feeding time yet. Do you see that the monkey have such a strong and handy tail?
Yes, I can see the tail, but some of them don't have tails. Why?
Because they are different species. They are the mighty apes. There are around 260 monkey species in the world. Most of them live in trees except for a few who seem to prefer the ground.
Ah! That monkey just scratched me. Oh my gosh! My finger!
It's okay. Let me take the bandage. I told you to stay away from the cage.
Are you okay? Don't cry. Calm down. The zookeeper is taking the bandages for you.
Oh, I hate the monkeys. It's so hurting. Can we go home? I don't want to stay in the zoo anymore.
Yes, of course. Let's go.